In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to chat with supplier on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Xianyu App. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688 Starbucks or Edifish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorials about China importation business with Xianyu App. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to simply chat with suppliers in Xianyu App or Idlefish second-hand shopping app from China. So what you want to do first is to make sure you open up your Xianyu shopping app. So right here we have the app right here. So I'm going to click on here to open the app. Alright, so after you open up the app, then you can simply scroll down and choose. We're going to use a supplier as an example. So we can simply choose this particular supplier right here. So we can simply click on the product link to chat with them up. So it's open up to the product sales page. Next thing we need to do is to simply click on here to proceed. Then it takes us to this particular page whereby you need to read detail about the product. Okay, so you just need to simply scroll down and see some of the graphics detail about the product. Then for you to contact the supplier and chat them up for business, what you need to do is to simply click on here. Then it takes you to the supplier chat box right here. So what you need to do is to simply type and send whatever you want to discuss with them. So in this regard, you need to know that you have to communicate with this set of people in Chinese language, because not every supplier actually understand English language, which is general language, or understand your country's spoken language. So as a result of that, we're going to make use of Google Translate to communicate with this supplier in Chinese. So I'm going to exit from my Xianyu app now, and then we head over to my Google Translate. If you don't have Google Translate, download and install on your phone. Here is Google Translate. What you need to do is to head over to your Play Store and search for Google Translate. Google Translate is a free app that allows you to communicate in whatever language of your choice. After you have successfully download and install Google Translate, so make sure you set this to whatever language you can speak, and make sure you set this to Chinese Simplified. So I'm going to speak English language, and where it's going to convert it to Chinese Simplified for me. So let's see. So I'm going to click on here. I will type in hello. Then it's automatically convert to Chinese. I will click on here to copy. Then I'll copy. Then I'll come back here. I'll click and hold down. I'll make sure I paste and send. So message sent. Okay. So if the supplier is online, it's going to simply reply to my message. But if they are not online, as soon as they are available, they will simply reply to this message. So we can simply go back to our Google Translate right here. So please kindly let me know as soon as you are available for business chats. Thank you. Then we can simply click on here to copy. Then we go back to our Xianyu app. I'll click and hold down, paste and send. So message sent. Okay.